Hi everybody, I'm Rich Woods and welcome to the Darby Garage. Hi everyone, this is Rich Woods and welcome to Darby Garage. Today I'm bringing you a 1971 Nova big block 4-speed Hugger orange paint. Let's have a look. Powered by a 396 with dyno sheets of 450 horsepower, polycarb, Edelbrock intake, comp cam, and full MSD ignition. The entire car was put together perfectly. All the body gaps, fender vent, everything aligns perfectly on this car. It rides on the factory style SS 14-inch wheels, wrapped in the ever so popular BF Goodrich radial TA tires. Inside the car, pretty much factory issued interior, with everything working. Car drives fantastic. Clutch, the brakes, the shifter, absolutely perfect to drive. You take your hands off the wheel, the car doesn't shake. I've been on the highway with this car, absolutely zero issues. Bid with confidence on this car. Now folks, this car will be for sale at Barrett-Jackson, June 22nd, 2018 at the Mohegan Sun, Connecticut auction. Friday night, car number 431. Be there. I'm Rich Woods with Darby Garage. Thanks for visiting. That's what's in my garage. I want to know what's in your garage. Get a hold of me through Facebook, darbymotorsports.com, and let me know. Have a great day.